I'm Saeed Al-Dhahri, chairman of Smart World. This workshop, which was organized by the RIT Dubai, is one of those workshops which help to bring awareness to the students, to the community, and also engaging the academia with the industry and with the government in terms of looking at some of the issues and some of the problems where AI can play an important role, and where also universities can be involved and engaged in research to try to help the government or the community in large with issues of AI.
The gathering was amazing because we had the different stakeholders who talked about different applications of the futuristic artificial intelligence. My part was to talk about how would healthcare will be changed in the near future, actually not in the very far future. I talked about a couple of the use cases where we used artificial intelligence in diagnosis diseases where human being or human mind couldn't actually grasp this. I don't think artificial intelligence will replace doctors. But I think doctors who know how to deal with artificial intelligence will replace those who don't know how to use it.